Vámonos, caballeros. Vámonos porque está cañón. ¿Dónde viene toda esta gente? Van a la iglesia. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'm super excited. Today we have this new episode. It's 2025, and I'm gonna be riding with a friend of mine. Not only a friend of mine, he's also a YouTuber. Go check out his channel. His channel name is Big Boys, and we're gonna ride. We'll see where we'll head at, and we're gonna meet him right now, guys. We're gonna go meet him. We're running a little bit late, but hopefully we make it there safe and sound. And so yeah, this is a new year, and hopefully I can bring you this better videos. So I'm super excited. It's a wonderful morning, a beautiful morning to be riding. And we're gonna make our way to the 97, I believe it is Highway 97. He's coming from Calexico. We're gonna meet there, and from there we're gonna head on an adventure. So stay tuned, guys. You guys are gonna like it. I was gonna bring Sunny, but Sunny doesn't. I need to fix Sunny. I need to put 3 angles of cameras on Sunny, and I'm still trying to figure out how to do it with because there's no way to put a selfie stick on it. So I need to see what I can buy to make that happen. But besides that, hope everybody had a nice, wonderful, beautiful New Year's and Christmas and Thanksgiving, and we're at 2025, guys. So let's start off with this new good video. If you want to see what he's doing right now, go to his channel, and you'll see what he's doing, because he's riding right now from Calexico to the meeting point. And he's also doing a video for his channel. This is his first video of motorcycle riding for his channel. So we also have a podcast with him, and we do reviews of food and all that. If you want to go check it out, you're more than welcome to. And if you want to see what he's saying right now, you just don't know what he's saying, go to his channel, and hopefully it can bring you guys good videos. It's kind of a little bit chilling right now, kind of a little bit cold. Nothing too super cold, but cold. We have a full tank of gas, well, a little bit. So I decided to bring La Bonita on this trip. Even though it's only highway, it's gonna be only highway, because he's thinking about buying a new bike, and I told him I'll take the KTM. You can test ride it, and you can test in the dirt too. Hopefully he likes it and buys a new bike. Bring you guys a video about that, huh? That'll be awesome. So right now we're heading to the Highway 97, I believe. I think this is the 7th or something like that. I'm not even sure. Well, I'm so excited. Hopefully he's there already. If not, we're gonna wait for him. It's a beautiful day. Think crazy things to do. Just you and me. And also want to mention that Get Life Boys podcast will be coming back soon as well. So stay tuned for that as well. We got a lot of podcasts, man. It's a good thing. Man, it's gorgeous right now. We have good air quality. You can see the mountains. Nice. Nice. Let's do this. So I think we're about, what, 5 minutes away, 10 minutes away. And I'll let you guys know in the other video what we're gonna do, because we already have something planned out. And I want to send a big shout out to my friend, beloved friends that I love and appreciate. You also go to his channel. It's called man, I forgot the name of it, but it was PG Ocho Sarras Off-Road TV, I think it was. I'll leave his link down on the description. And his is about trucks and Can-Ams. And I took him on my last trail. You see my last trail video? I took him in that ride, him and another friend, and they loved it. They got to see wild donkeys and deers. And he has a lot of drone footage and all that. So go check it out. You're gonna like it too. Share the love. So on the road again. There's Heber Dunes. If you've never been to Heber Dunes, go check out my video. There, video on Heber Dunes. Man. Whoa, what's going on? Everybody's passing me or what? We're heading on the road again. Okay, I think it's this highway here. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 98, guys. I was saying 97. It's 98. Hopefully Vic Boy is there. He is there. Oh shit, guys. Aquí está, caballeros. ¡Uy! Ahí está. Algo bien. La logramos. Caballeros, la logramos. Aquí estamos con el Vic Boys. Manda un saludo, Vic Boys. Manda un saludo.
Saludos, campeones.
Es todo. Aquí vamos a cortar el video. Sigan el otro video que va a estar bien interesante. Bye.